Why is environmental protection and climate action imperative from a Muslim perspective? Well, Allah reminds us in the Quran, "Do not spread corruption in the land after it has been set in order, and call upon Him with hope and fear. Indeed, Allah's mercy is always close to the good doers." And that's Surah 7, verse 56. And He also says in the Quran, "Corruption has appeared throughout the land and sea by reason of what the hands of people have earned. So He may let them taste part what they have done, that perhaps they will return." And that is in Surah 30, verse 41. So Allah created this earth in balance, the forests, rivers, animals, everything in nature. And we have been honored as Khalifa, the stewards upon the earth. And with this honor comes responsibility. When we waste resources, pollute the air and water, or destroy wildlife, we break this trust, or aman. And the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us not to waste even a drop of water while making wudu, saying, "Do not be wasteful, even if you are by a flowing river." And he said as well, "There is none among the Muslims who plants a tree or sows a crop, and then a bird, a person, or an animal eats from it, except that it will be counted as a charity for him." And that is in Bukhari and Muslim. And these teachings remind us that every drop saved, every tree planted, every harm prevented to creation is an act of ibadah, worship, and charity that Allah records for us. And if we look around us, we can see the impact of neglect. Heavier floods like the flash flood that occurred in Texas, hotter summers and winters, communities struggling with clean air and water. And these are reminders of our duty to act, not just for ourselves, but for our children, our families, and our neighbors. Islam calls us to uphold principles of justice, mercy, and moderation. Caring for the environment is not some side issue. It is part of our deen. When we conserve, recycle, reduce waste, and work together with our neighbors and those of other faiths who we live with to protect our rivers, plant trees, etc., we are honoring the amana that Allah has given us.